The following is a look at and description of item. Sansheng 26-inch diameter folded loose belt fishing cap umbrella cap. Fishing umbrella cap Sunhat dark blue, the 7th of July 2020. Cost $8.88. Amazon. https://www.amazon.com/gp/product/b07q4b9pp9/refequals pp_x_y_o_pt_s00 I equals UTF-8 and PSC equals 1. Expansion diameter 26 inches. Folding size 15.3 inches x 2 inches. Color outside blue, inside silver. Suitable head circumference 48 to 58 cm, 18.9-22.8 inches. It is composed of 8 metal bars, easy to open and close. 6 plastic rod heads with elastic design. Comfortable to wear, very suitable for outdoor sunshade umbrella cap in rainy days. Product description 1. Fit most. This hat features an adjustable strap, small enough to fit a child's head but stretches big enough to fit a large adult head. Adjustable tape make umbrella hat tightly in place on your head, which keep the colorful hat on your head comfortably even in the wind. 2. This hat is a great personal sunshade at the beach or for fishing. 3. This fun umbrella hat folds up just like an umbrella for easy travel. There is an adjustable elastic inside for all head sizes. 4. Great for parties or other fun family outings. Wear this umbrella hat in the rain or shine. Suitable for gardening, photography, hiking, farming, golfing and Halloween costume etc. Product details. Product dimensions 8.8 x 0.8 x 0.5 inch. Shipping weight 3.2 ounces. View shipping rates and policies as in B07Q4B9PP9.